Hi everybody, and thank you so much for joining. So today I want to do needle felting, and this is going to be my, I think, third attempt at needle felting. And what I want to do is I want to do a brooch. So I have two colors, white and black. And what I want to do is, yes, I want to do my amazing cat. His name is Diesel. So from my trip to the craft store, I have a coarse needle, and then I have a needle that's called Star. I think it's supposed to be more for the details. I'm gonna start with the coarse because it's a big one. Kind of like bundle it together and start poking. Make sure that you poke downwards and never onto yourself or onto the side. Now let's add the black for the ears. Close? Here it is. It's getting there. It's a little too big, so I'm trying to make it smaller. I have made everything smaller, so it's a much smaller cat now, and I have added the 4 balls pretty much and kind of made the face. So the next thing I want to do is I have a bunch of green. I want to have big round green eyes. So here's the final result. I think it's pretty close to the original, and it's also a little bit different, you know, just to make it a little more fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this little pin thing that I have at the back of over here, probably at the top, and I will start to wear it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.